Chatbots are useful when they are specialized to accomplish a specific goal, especially for businesses. So for example, let's say that you have a business and you want to help the user go to a specific page, or help the user with sending some answers to his or her questions. Then your chatbot is going to be very, very helpful, because you don't have to kind of hire a customer assistant. So you can kind of create a chatbot that would help your customers with answers. So how can you do that? Let me now give you an example. So my website is calmandcode.com, and I have courses in my website. And suppose that I want to help users find out my courses, or find out which courses I teach or I have on my website. Then I can say here in this array, I can say, first of all, I can say hi there. This is important because we want to kind of greet the user when they say hi. And then instead of having this conversation, instead of this, you can help the user with, for example, with possible questions. So if somebody comes over to my website, he or she might say, what courses do you have? So the answer could be not just a simple string. The answer could be a link. So instead of letting users kind of searching for the link to your courses, you can here say, please visit this link for more info, or for all courses. So you can here say https and then calmandcode.com, and then forward slash, and then go, and then / unlimited, and this is the link to the courses. And then you can also send another response for another question. So instead of this question, you can say, what is your contact page? This is just an example. The user might not ask this question, so it depends upon which type of business you have, or which type of website you have, or which type of goal you want to achieve. So this is going to be very different from a business or a website. So it depends upon your goal. So I'm going to say here, please visit, or just the link, click on, or head on over to this link, head on over to, and then I'm going to copy the same exact URL, this one, and then I'm going to paste it here. And then you can here pass the link. Let me say contact. So let me now save and debug my script and see what's going to happen. So I'm going to click on start debugging, and I'm going to run my file here. And now the chatbot will be trained, and then it's going to just let me type something. So now let me say what courses you have, and now as you can see, it's going to send me this response, which is awesome because it's going to help the user, and it's going to also save you some money because you don't have to hire some kind of a person to answer to send answers and responses to users. You can deploy this chatbot to your website, and it's going to take care of these questions and responses. So you can now, the user can click on this and head on over to the link.